Hello everyone, my name is Sampath Ranasinghe and I'm the product manager for Group Geo. Today we'll look at the 15.8 outlook for the group. Let's start with moving existing data types into the self-service framework. We've been on this journey for quite some time and it spanned a number of milestones. During that time, we've been able to move a number of existing data types into the self-service framework, and we've got two outstanding to work on. Namely projects and wikis and design repositories. The self-service framework provides a single framework that's easily manageable and maintainable, that all geo data types can sit under. It also allows new data types to be easily added that can be leveraged for the geo replication and verification logic. And it also allows us to add new capabilities that benefit all existing data types through a single effort by enhancing the self-service framework. Projects and wikis have unique capabilities as a data type within the functionality of Geo. Projects and wikis, you're able to search projects and wikis in the replica view using keywords. And in addition, you can also force verification and sync via UI buttons on the replica view. These capabilities are currently missing on the self-service framework, and we've been busily adding and enhancing the self-service framework to bring those into operation. Once this capability is added to the self-service framework, we can then migrate projects and wikis without noticeable regressions to the functionality of this data type into the self-service framework. Next is moving design repositories into the self-service framework. This is the last data type to be moved into the self-service framework, and I'm very much looking forward to migrating this data type into the self-service framework and concluding this effort and moving on to new things with the team. Next up, fixing timeouts when pushing via SSH to secondary. There is currently a 60-second timeout on proxy push request to the from the secondary to the primary site. This is somewhat limiting for large push requests, as can be expected, and our goal is to remove this limitation altogether. The solution will likely require an architectural change to how we handle SSH proxying between the primary and the secondary, and will require a significant effort on behalf of the team. Next up, supporting multiple backend databases in support of decomposition. So the database team have successfully deployed a decomposed database architecture in order to allow the backend GitLab database to scale better. So there are two databases now, main and CI. And Geo is currently built to work with a single backend database. In order to support the future state of GitLab deployments, Geo needs to support the decomposed two-database model. I should note that GitLab.com is already operational with the decomposed database architecture. And in the first phase, we will support two databases on a single Postgres instance. In future, we may consider supporting two databases on separate Postgres instances, but for now, we will focus on the single Postgres instance. Next up, we want to deprecate node in favor of sites. This is just an alignment on terminology that we've undertaken in order to separate and distinguish between nodes and sites within the context of Geo. So now the term node denotes a single server within a Geo deployment, and a site now denotes a collection of one or more nodes running a single GitLab application. In this milestone, we want to deprecate Geo node name in favor of Geo site name in the GitLab RB to align terminology, and also change the endpoint name from Geo nodes to Geo sites for the API. And there are a number of UX initiatives and some bugs that we will be looking to address in this milestone as well. With that, we conclude the 15.8 outlook for Geo, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.